Good morning, class. Today we're going to be discussing murmurs. Today's class is focused on murmurs, something that a lot of people have problems with. So I'm going to give it the down and dirty of lectures today. Like I said, the main topic is going to be murmurs. And these are abnormal heart sounds. Abnormal heart sounds. First of all, it's important to know where murmurs are heard. So murmurs, the best place to listen for murmurs is towards the direction of blood flow. And the main things you need to realize is that we have about 4 main valves we're looking at here. We have the AV valves and the semilunar valves. So we have the AV valve, the mitral, and the tricuspid.